Hi viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm sharing biography of actor Karthik, untold story about actor Karthik. Murli Karthikeyan Muthuraman, born 13 September 1960 in Chennai, better known by his stage name Karthik, is an Indian actor, playback singer and politician who works in Tamil cinema. He is the son of veteran actor R. Muthuraman. In the 1980s and 90s, Karthik was one of the biggest stars in the industry. Karthik is popularly known as Navarasa Nayakan. He has acted in more than 125 films. He has been the recipient of the Tamil Nadu State Film Awards and the Nandi Award. He won 4 Filmfare Awards South. Karthik was first introduced by Bharti Raja in the film Alaigal Oivadillai 1981. He received the Best New Face Award from the Tamil Nadu government in 1981. He starred in the Telugu version of the film Sita Koka Chilaka the same year under the stage name Murli. He collaborated with leading film directors such as Mani Ratnam, Bharti Raja, Visu, R. Sundarajan, Amir Jan, R.V. Udayakumar, Priyadarshan, Fazil, Vikraman, Agatyan, Sundar C. K.S. Ravikumar, P. Vasu, and K.V. Anand. His cameo in Mauna Ragam 1986 was very well received by the audience. The film made Karthik an instant heartthrob. This was a golden period in the career of Karthik. Vanna Kanavugal 1987 was a super hit. Karthik collaborated with several leading directors and gave several successful films. He acted in the Telugu film Abhinandana 1988, for which he won the Nandi Special Jury Award. He followed with commercial successes like Agni Natchatram 1988, Varusham Padinaru 1989, Idaya Tamarai 1990, Kilakku Vasal 1990, and Gopura Vasilile 1991. Amaran 1992 performed below expectations. However, the song sung by Karthik became a huge rage. Vettala Pota Sokala, one of the super hit songs that Adityan tune, was sung by Karthik himself in his signature style very similar to his dialogue delivery. Nadodi Tendral 1992 was a period film helmed by Bharti Raja. Ponnu Mani 1993 was a village-based melodrama which was a super hit at the box office and fetched Karthik his fourth Filmfare Award. Karthik did Telugu film Maga Rayudu 1994, followed by Marumagan, Chakravarti, Nandavana Theru, and average success Tottachiningi in the year 1995. In 1996, Karthik acted in Kilakku Mugam, Sundar C's Ullaithai Alita, and Metukodi. He went on to win critical acclaim for his role in Gokulathil Sidai. He appeared in K.S. Ravi Kumar's Pista 1997, which also won good reviews. Vikraman's Unnidathil Ennai Koduthen, year 1998, was Karthik's 100th film. J.R. Ravi's Harichandra 1998 and Selva's Pooveli 1998, and won a Tamil Nadu State Award for Best Actor. In 1999, he played drama films like Chinna Raja, Nilave Mugam Kattu, Ananda Poongatre, Suyamvaram, and Rojavanam. He acted in Sundar C. Ventures' successful blockbuster film Unakkaga Ellam Unakkaga in 1999. During the early 2000s, Karthik experienced a difficult period as he began to lose his popularity at the box office and new actors began to emerge in the Tamil film industry. He married actress Ragini in 1988. His co-star in the film Solai Koil, and the couple has two sons, actor Gautam Karthik and Gyandru Karthik. Later, he also married Ragini's sister Radhi in 1992 and the couple have a son, Dhiran Karthik. Gautam Karthik, born 12 September 1989, is an Indian actor who works in Tamil language films. He made his acting debut in Mani Ratnam's Kadal 2013. If you like my video, kindly like, share and subscribe for more interesting videos.